Servus and welcome! I'm René, a senior consultant at Tenfold, and in this video we will cover approval workflows. Please mind that Tenfold is not a workflow engine and therefore only uses them for approvals, hence the name approval workflows. They are mainly used for purposes such as self-service or the 4 Eyes principle. Before creating a workflow, it is advisable to set up an approval context that categorizes requests requiring approval in this area. For this, we navigate to Governance, Approvals, Contexts. Here you define a name under which the requests will be grouped. We will use file server for now, a sorting number for the order of the contexts, and check the box Own Tile on Start page. In the lower section, you can specify whether simultaneous approval of requests in this area should be allowed. Apply by clicking Save. Then navigate to Governance, Approvals, Workflows, and either edit one of the existing workflows in the Active Directory exchange of file server areas or create a new one. You can, of course, also override the configuration in these areas with a custom defined workflow if desired. In this example, we will use the FS request approval workflow as a sample and prepare it accordingly. We begin by clicking the Convert to BPMN Workflow button, since Tenfold uses the BPMN scheme as the foundation for its workflows. In its simplest form, an approval workflow requires 3 elements: a start event, which represents the creation of a request, a task, which a responsible person must approve, and an end event, which indicates the completion of the request. Next, we select the task field, click on the wrench icon in the context menu, and choose User Task. This expands the configuration panel on the right side, where we enter a name, typically the type of approver, and then select the task type, Approval Step. In Context, we select the one we just created, and in Mode, we define an approver. Superior refers to the user's manager, which, if maintained in AD, should be stored with the user via Active Directory Person Sync, or can be added manually later. The data owner department refers to the department's data owner, which must be manually configured under Organization Departments. The data owner resource is the most common for the file server area. This can be configured under Privileges Active Directory File Server for each scanned directory. Privilege includes Tenfold internal permissions and must be assigned via a dedicated Tenfold role. And Code Snippet allows a script to be added, which can, for example, fetch the approver from the master data of the requesting user. Finally, we click Save and our workflow is ready and usable.